Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send PDF on Telegram. So first you have to launch your Telegram application and you have to look for that specific conversation here. Now what you're going to do is you have to click this paperclip icon and here you have options. What you're going to do is you have to look for the file option right here, tap on file. It will take you directly to your file, downloads, or any folders that you have on your device. Click that specific PDF right here, tap on PDF file, tap on the paper plane icon, and that's how easy it is. Now, if this PDF file is on your internal storage, just click on internal storage, look for downloads or documents, tap on the PDF, and then tap on send button. And basically, that's how easy it is to send PDF on Telegram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.